Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a Japanese name in Roblox. First of all, you need to know that Roblox allows players to customize your usernames and adding a Japanese name can give your profile a unique touch. Whether you want to use Japanese characters or just a name inspired by Japanese culture, it's pretty simple. To start, log into your Roblox account and tap on your profile icon at the top. Then, tap on Edit Profile. Here you'll see the display name and username sections. You can type in your new name here, but make sure it complies with Roblox username guidelines. You can use a Japanese name by simply typing it using the keyboard or by copying and pasting the name. Next, check that the name is available. If it's already taken, Roblox will let you know and you'll have to choose another. If the name is available, you can save the changes and your new Japanese name will be set. It's important to note that some special characters or longer usernames may not be accepted by Roblox, so always ensure the name is valid. Once everything is set, your profile will reflect your new Japanese inspired display name. And that's it. Now you know how to add a Japanese name in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.